Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Today I'm gonna show you guys how to get this gorgeous look. Oh my gosh, the camera does not even do it any justice. I am obsessed with this look. I think it came out perfect, so beautiful. You guys should definitely try this out on yourselves. Like, this is gonna be the perfect fall glam, even on a regular day if you just want to slay. Yeah, this is the look for you. I tried to move so that the lighting can be a little better so that I can show you guys how gorgeous it is. I'm really proud of myself. I think I did great. But without further ado, we're gonna jump right into this video. I hope you guys enjoy. Let me know if you try this look out. Make sure that you subscribe and share this video. Tell a friend to tell a friend and try this look out. And yeah, without further ado, let's just dive right in.
Surfer. grateful, truly thankful for all of the blessings. I just wanna say that I'm grateful, truly thankful for all of the blessings. I just wanna say that I'm grateful, truly thankful for all of the blessings. I just wanna say that I'm grateful, truly thankful for all of the blessings. I know you loved you from the start. 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 Roses of red, violets of blue, and I'm meant to go for you. I'm meant to go for you. I'm meant to use the roses of red, violets of blue, and I'm meant to go for you. I'm meant to go for you. I'm meant to use the roses of red, violets of blue, and I'm meant to go for you. I'm meant to go for you. I'm meant to use the roses of red, violets of blue, and I'm meant to go for you. I'm meant to go for you. I'm meant to you. I just wanna say that I'm grateful, truly thankful.